Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another Tried Treats. It's that time of month again. Get monthly goodies delivered to your doorstep. They got different options where you can pick your own or just do like a random. They just send me random to show you guys every month. You guys could get free shipping or it's 10%. Not 100% sure which one it is, but all you gotta do is click on the link in the description and check it out for yourself. And we're gonna see what this month is they sent, and we're about to find out. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Good old Tuesday, 9/11. There we go. Here we go. Got this open, and then there we go. Nice and easy. Try treats. Yeah, let's see where this is coming from this month. Every month somewhere different. Looks like France. I usually got some good stuff. Let's see. Oh, Amsterdam. Nice. Never been there. That's a little postcard you get. There we go. Tells a little story. Go and explore Netherlands. One of mine seen that one day. Statue. Dutch meatballs, say. Very nice. Alright. Here's all the goodies we get this month. Stroop waffles. Little peppermints. Milk chocolate bar. Chew mints. Licorice rolls. Lady fingers. Black and white candy roll. Windmill cookies. Dutch bakery. Say yes. Bender Milan. Frutella. Vitamin. Alright. Let's get into it. Ooh. These look like cinnamon. Graham crackers. Yeah, buddy. And we got this. Ooh, waffles. We got the maybe hazelnut caramel. Ooh. And we got another set of graham crackers. And I remember these things. Little mini mints. And they give you a stack. Looks like a pack of smokes. And of course, we got the chocolate milk. Here. Good stuff. Oh, yes. Menthols. I had these when I was a kid. Tweety drags. Drop the bass. Alright. Oh, look at this guy. Arr. Oh, kind of candy, something. Still. These deals. Okay. Oh, these things. Oh, yeah. Biscottis. These are good. And we got some chips. Oven baked. Bursting flavored. And what is it? Cheese? Gouda cheese. Gouda. And we got King. Peppermint chew mints. And these, I remember these. Frutella, kind of like the Nutellas of the fruit. Chewy. That's it. So hopefully you guys had fun as much as I did. And if you guys want to give it a try, click on my link down below. You guys could get a little money knocked off. So good munchies every month delivered to your door. Try treats. Give it a try. YouTubers, be safe. Have a good one. And see you guys back hopefully tomorrow.